What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Today I'm going to be reviewing this toilet paper holder. I got this from Amazon like last year. My wife like, why don't you just review half of the stuff that you bought in the house, since, you know, it's dealing with home products and stuff. So yeah, why don't I do that? And plus, this fell off the wall, so I was like, how about I start with this? So I got this from Amazon. I'll drop the link. I don't know if it's the same price of what I paid. I don't even remember what I paid for this, but it wasn't that much. So with this, it's simple. It's a paper towel holder. It comes with this, the holder. It comes with the mounting bracket. Mine came with 3 anchors and 3 screws. And I think that was about it. And it came with the instructions. So I don't have the instructions no more. But basically, what you do is you put this on the wall, right? When you put this on the wall, it's going to be flush on the wall. And it has this little key right here. You know, these little hex keys. I think it came with one. I cannot remember, but yeah, you will need the hex key. I don't know the size of this hex key. I actually have a whole lot of hex keys. So yeah. Oops. I don't know the size of this, but that's what keeps this stuck on here. So it will go on like that. And then you can either have it going side, or you can have it going up and down, or vertical and horizontal, however you want to term it. So it will go on the wall, and you can either put it up and down, or you could put it like this. All right, now if you want to do it in an angle, you will have to make sure that when you put it in an angle, this has to be in the angle like this. All right, for up and down, left, right, it has to be up and down like that. For if you want your hook to be in the angle, you will have to put this in the angle, because the only way it locks in is when this screw right here is when this screw is tight to the flat part of the mount. All right. If you look at the mount, you see these gaps. So this screw will not go between the gaps. If so, it will be too much play. All right, it'll be going like this. So like I said, if you want it in the angle, you have to put this in the angle. So this is really made to go horizontal, up and down, left and right. I don't know why I'm tongue twisted today. All right, so with that being said, this is nice matte black, you know, modern. And I'm gonna show y'all real quick to put it in. So what you will need to do first is have anchors, which it came with anchors, but those anchors was no good. So I have my own anchors. And we are going to put the anchors in what I had. Well, all right. First thing you want to do is have a leveler. Okay. Small leveler. Second thing, you want to put where you want it at while you're sitting on your toilet handling your business. Okay. You want to make sure it's level. So I already did all this. I'm just showing y'all how to mount this stuff when you get it. All right. So you want it level. You put your pencil mark right there. That way you will always remember the straight line. Then you want to put pencil mark, pencil mark, pencil mark where the hole's at. Okay. I don't know if y'all can see. All right, so you want to put pencil mark where the hole's at. All right, and now you want to get a drill bit. All right, now my drill bits are downstairs, but I don't need a drill bit because I already drilled this before. and there's no wood until right here over this side and right here. You could bang to feel your stud, so obviously there's no stud. So you will need your drill bit. So I will post that just in case y'all don't know what a drill bit look like. I will post the drill bit right there. You will need your anchors. So you make your hole, you put your anchors in. All right? Hammer your anchors. Almost done. We almost done the process. This is probably the most simple thing you could do for DIY. All right. You got your mount. Like I said, you want to go, mine is going to go horizontal and vertical. Okay. Got the screws. And you will need a drill gun. This is an impact driver, but my drill gun is all the way in the basement and I don't feel like going all the way down in the basement. So we will use this. All right, not too much pressure, okay? All right. You put it on just like that and tighten. This is simple. As you can see, demonstration took a little bit longer, because I'm showing y'all, but this job takes like not even 5 minutes. But if you're doing it for somebody and you had to go from point A to point B, yeah, it will take you about 10 minutes to do it because you got to level it and all that. So, all right, that's straight up and down. And if you're not sure if it is straight up and down, you can put your leveler on it, right? And that's level. That's flush, straight up and down. Give it one more tighten. Maybe one more. All right. Put your roll of toilet paper. And that's it. All right, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe. I got this from Amazon. I will drop the link. Let me show y'all something else. I got a couple more things that's similar to this. And I don't want to do too many videos. So I got this towel rack. Same thing from Amazon. Let me know if you want me to demonstrate that. It's the same. It's the same thing. Same thing. It got a little hex part right there on that. Got the same thing over here. Got the hex key on the bottom. And right here. It's a little towel rack to wipe, to dry your hands when, you know, done washing your hands in your bathroom and stuff. So let me know if you want me to do separate videos on that. I didn't see no need to do a separate video on that if it's the same install. But like, comment, and subscribe to Always Occupied.